Lesson 2, Chapter 1, Computer Culture for Grade 2. In this lesson, we will discover the utility of a computer, why I use it, and the meaning of the word data. So, you will start this lesson by conducting a dialogue between you and the students by asking them where do I use a computer, and students are supposed to give you examples about where do they imagine or do they use a computer at home, restaurant, school, banks, and so on. And then after you will open the book and you will start by making sure that all the places are mentioned, and then you will start by defining what to do with the computer in each of those mentioned locations. So, for example, if in a clothing store, one of students said that we use a computer, he has to say why: to play a game, or to make an invoice, or to draw, or I don't know. Okay, so here you have many examples you can take with your students in order to explain them why in a restaurant or at school or at the bank we use a computer. And then after we pass to another section, which is the word data and what is the meaning of data. And here you have to take your time to explain them that everything that we manipulate on a computer is called data, like a movie, a film, a sound, an image, a text. Everything is called data, and you have to link them to the hardware component. I mean, like the sound is treated by the microphone, an image with a camera, a text with a printer, a movie or a film with a camera, video camera. And now comes the time in order to start using a software or a program to introduce them to the jCompris software that they manipulated in grade 1, I guess. And this software is downloadable from our website. You can ask for it by sending us an email or a WhatsApp. And this manipulation, I advise you to keep it to the end of this session in order to complete the second page. And here, in case you have a remaining time, like 5 to 10 minutes, I don't know, you can ask students to launch this program and to start manipulating the keyboard or the mouse. It's up to you. And even at home, if they are working on for a distance learning, you can give them the address from where they can download the program and to manipulate it from home. I hope that your students are working on a computer, not on a tablet, since jCompris practically is used on a computer, but there is, I guess, on tablets, a special edition for this program. On the other page, we'll start by discussing with them the computer is a machine that processes data. At home, computer games are composed of sounds and images. At the office, documents and calculation make up the data or the information. At the restaurant, the bill corresponds to the amount of the meal. So all those examples, and of course you can give them more than those examples, called are here to explain them what is data and why I use a computer. It's to manipulate data. And here, as a reminder, the computer is an electronic machine that processes data. The data is a computer process text, image, sound, and video. And by ending this lesson, you will practice with them an exercise which help them to give some example of tasks to the computer can perform, like the teacher use a computer to calculate the student's average. Let's say at a restaurant, the computer is used to calculate the bill, and so on. So they have to give you an example, and those interactive PDF sheet will be available in order to send them to students to fill them and to send them back to you. And at the end, it's an exercise where students have to mention or to make a difference between old computers and new computers. Of course, the one to the left and on the right are old computers, and in the middle are new computers.